In today's video, I'm going to share with you top 10 niches that you can use to start making passive income promoting Clickbank products. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So basically what you want to do is you want to come over to clickbank.com. And the first niche that I'm going to share with you is the dietary supplements. So if you scroll down to this category right here that says health and fitness, and if you click on this dietary supplement right here, you are going to see various products on this niche because a lot of people are looking for supplements to gain weight, to lower blood sugar, and to grow their muscles. And you can find numerous problems that people want to get supplements from to solve their problem. So that is why this niche right here is very, very profitable. As you can see, the gravity score of this product right here, over 800. Like I said, a lot of people are looking to solve their problem. And you can see this product is going to pay $151 per sale you make for this product. You can see the second product on this list right here, Ikara juice, over 500 gravity score. You can also see the commission you are going to make if you make a sale for this product, over $100. So this niche right here is extremely profitable if you are looking to make fast money on Clickbank. All right, so basically you can see if you keep scrolling down, you are going to see the gravity score of this product is in the hundreds. All right, so now the second product that you can promote on Clickbank is the weight loss and diet products. So to locate those products, you want to come over to this category right here that says diet and weight loss. So if I click on this category right here, all right, you can see there are a lot of products right here as well. You can see the gravity score of this product are also up to 100. You can see this one is close to 100 right here, 84, and you can see this one is over 100. All right, so basically just like the supplement category, people are also looking to lose weight every single day. All right, so people want to keep their diet checked so that they can live a very healthy life. So that is one of the reasons why people are looking for weight loss products, so that they can have a healthy life. All right, so that is why products in this category right here are very, very profitable, because like I said, people are looking for exercise program, weight loss program, diet program, health and fitness, just to solve their weight loss problems. All right, so now the third niche I'm going to be showing you that is very profitable as well is under this health and fitness category as well, and it is called this dental health right here. As you can see, this one also is in the 100, the gravity score right here, and also any sale you make for this product is over $100. You can see this second product right here, you can see the third product right here, you can even see up to the fourth product on this category right here is going to pay you $100 in commission. All right, so basically the dental category is one of the biggest niche that people have not really discovered yet on digital marketing. Okay, you can tap in to this niche right here and start making money, because not so many affiliates promote this dental category right here. Okay, so like I said, you can see for yourself the gravity score is high, which means a lot of people are making money with products in this category right here, and you can see the commission is also in the hundreds. All right, so now the fourth category that I'm going to show you is the survival category. So all you want to do from here, you want to scroll down to this section that says self-help. All right, and then you want to scroll down to where it says survival. So basically these are products that are targeted to people who are looking to get prepared for maybe market crash, resources shortage, or various problems that may come up in future. These are products that people can purchase and they can learn to get themselves prepared for any future problem to come. So as you can see, also these products have decent gravity score as well. You can see this one almost 50 gravity score, this one over 50, and also you can see the commission is not bad at all. You are going to get paid $35 if you sell this product right here. As you can see, this product says turn air into water. All right, so basically like I said, these are niches that cater towards unpredictable future problems like natural disaster, market crash, wars, resources shortage. All right, so basically this is a very good niche. You can select product and start promoting right away. So the fifth niche that I'm going to show you is the women's health niche, and this niche is under health and fitness right here. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is click on this women health category right here. All right, as you can see, the gravity score is also decent as well. This one right here, over 50 gravity score. You can see this product is going to pay over $50 for every single sale you make. All right, so women are basically more likely to purchase product that is going to solve any of their problem, especially women over 40 plus. You can see this product right here. This one is an example, yoga bond right here, and you are going to get a recurring income of $27 every single month, as long as the person stays on this product. As you can see right here, over 1.3 women have purchased this product already. As you can see right here, this is a product specifically for women. All right, so like I said, women are more likely to purchase products as long as they are certain it's going to solve their problem. So this is a niche that you can tap into that is not so super competitive yet. All right, so now the sixth category that I'm going to show you is in the spirituality niche. All right, so all you just need to do is scroll down to the very bottom of this page and click on this spirituality niche right here. All right, so there are a lot of people who are interested in spirituality, and there are people who are mystical, people who want to understand their life purpose, and they want to get more acquainted into what their life is all about, and they want to understand their life better. You can see this product right here, Soulmate Sketch, which is going to show people the person who is perfect for them right here. And also you can see the gravity score of this product right here is over 200. Okay, and you can see the sale of this product, even though it's a little bit cheap, you are still going to get $7 every month as long as people stay on this product. All right, as you can see, this is also another product right here, wealth manifestation. Like I said, this niche is for people who are looking to to tap into higher power, to understand themselves, like law of attraction, astrology, psychics, all those type of stuff. There are a lot of people who are interested in this spirituality niche right here. So these are various products on this category that you can sell to these people. So now the seventh category that I'm going to be showing you is the marriage and relationship. Okay, so basically that is also under this self-help category right here. So if I click on this marriage and relationship, all right, so there are a lot of couples who are struggling to keep their marriages, and have problem understanding themselves. So basically this product right here is going to help people who are struggling with marital problem and stuff. As you can see right here, this is a product right here that says is secret obsession. Basically, this is a product that is targeted to females who are looking for marriage, as you can see right here. And as long as they stay on this product, you are going to get $11 every single month. Okay, you can see the conversion for every single sale you make is $57 right here. And this is also another product right here that is going to pay you $53 right here. And you are going to get a whopping $40 every single month. As you can see right here, the X Factor Guide. So basically, this is a product that is targeted to people who want to get their ex back, or for people who want to get their spouse or their ex back. All right. So basically, in this category, you will find various product that is going to help people who have relationship problems, and it's going to help them solve their problem. And basically, like I said, this niche also is not super saturated. You can tap into this niche and start making passive income on Clickbank. So the eighth niche that I'm going to show you is under this green product category right here. Okay, so basically, if you click on this green product right here, these are products right here that help people solve basic problem like electricity. So basically, an example of what I mean is this right here, new battery conditioning course. So basically, this is going to help people save money in electricity bill. All right, you can see this is also another product right here, easy power plan. All right, so basically this is a niche that is not super saturated yet, and you can start making passive income promoting this niche as well. All right, so you can see the gravity score is decent. People are making passive income with this niche right here because it's not so super saturated on Clickbank yet. All right, so now the ninth niche that I'm going to show you is the e-business and e-marketing. So basically, you want to click on this e-business and e-marketing category right here, and you can find various products that will help people make money online. There are a lot of people out there that have lost their jobs, and a lot of people who want to work from home and they don't know how to do it. So basically, you can come over to this e-marketing and e-business category and promote various products that is going to help people start making money online. As you can see, this one right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So basically, this product is going to teach people how to make money from this platform right here. And as long as they stay on this product, you get a whopping $43 every single month. As you can see, the gravity score of this product over 200 right here, which means a lot of affiliates have made a ton of money with this product, and you can do the same as well. You can see that is not the only product you can go for. You can see another one right here for people who want to do live chat jobs. You can see this one right here is also going to pay you $42 as long as the person remains on the product every single month. So there are other products as well that you can select and start making money promoting Clickbank products. So the last category that I'm going to show you is this home and garden niche right here. Okay, so basically if you click on that, you are going to see a lot of product that is catered toward people who are interested in gardening and taking care of their home. As you can see, this one right here, this is a wood working product right here, and you are going to get paid $60 if you make any sale for this particular product right here. You can see this one right here is going to help people train their dogs at home. So basically, as you can see right here, almost 100 gravity score, and you are going to get paid $31. All right, so basically if you keep scrolling under this category, you are going to find a lot of home products that you can sell to people who are interested in that product. All right, so basically there are a lot of products on this category as well. This one is also a very good one. You can promote this product to people who are interested in dogs, or those who have dogs at home but want to train their dogs and they don't know how to do it. So you can recommend this product to them, and once they remain on this product, you get a passive income of $20 every single month. So basically those are the best niches that you can promote on Clickbank and start making money in passive income. So that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.